There's nothing better than a cool slushie during those hot summer days. For that reason, we've researched and discovered the 7 top-rated slushie machines to help cool you down. And you won't believe what's in the #1 spot. If you want more information and updated pricing on these products, or if there's a special discount on any of them, be sure to check the links in the description box below. At number 7, the Dash Shaved Ice Maker and Slushie Machine has a plastic base, a blade, and a funnel that dispenses shaved ice into a bowl underneath it, similar to a food processor. It has a blade that is barely an inch long and is housed in an inner bowl that is housed in an outer, clear plastic bowl. The entire device is 12 by 16 inches in size and weighs less than 1 pound, so it takes up very little counter space. All pieces, except the base, are dishwasher safe. It's not like the spinning blades that turn a solid block of ice into powdered snow like you'd find at a Hawaiian shave ice shop. To operate this ice maker, just drop ice cubes into the machine's inner bowl, snap the cover into place, then rotate the lid to begin shaving. It's the same as if you're using a tiny food processor. Add regular ice cubes to the Slushie Machine ice hopper and let it do the work. Then simply add your favorite syrup flavoring or juice for fresh frozen cocktails, daiquiris, margaritas, or slushies. The Dash Slushie Machine is so easy to use, even your kids can operate it. The pros are compact size, easy to use, versatile for slushies or snow cones. The cons: smaller serving capacity, does not store slushies for an extended period of time. Next, at number 6, the ZOKU Slush Cup and Shake Maker is unquestionably successful. ZOKU's goods are well crafted and a fun kitchen tool for people who appreciate frozen delights created at home. We were amazed by how fast the drink thickened in the ZOKU Slush and Shake Maker. The insulation allows the slushie to stay cold for quite some time in the Slushie Maker cup. Not only do ZOKU's items make a terrific adult present, but they're also a fun and easy way to get your kids in the kitchen. In as little as 7 minutes, the ZOKU Slushie Cup and Shake Maker can prepare delightful slushies, nutritious fruit smoothies, milkshakes, and frozen alcoholic cocktails right on your counter.
Nice.
It's simple to use. You can freeze the inner core for 8+ hours. Then take it from the freezer and set it in the outer cup. Pour in your ingredients, stir, and scrape the cup with the supplied spoon, and watch as the slush freezes before your eyes. The Slush Cup and Shake Maker takes up as much room as a conventional cup, so there's no need for cumbersome equipment or an electrical outlet to make and enjoy your slush. If you're looking for the best Slushie Maker cup, the ZOKU won't let you down. Pros: make slushies in only 7 minutes. Compact and convenient. The original Slushie Maker cup. The cons: single serving capacity. Frozen core must be placed in the freezer for at least 8 hours before use. Still haven't found a slushie machine that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because the best top 5 is yet to come. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos on your favorite products. At number 5 is the VBENLEM 110V Slushie Machine and Margarita Frozen Drink Maker. Get your slushie prepared in just 30 minutes with the VBENLEM Single Bowl Slushie Machine with a capacity of 10 liters, a large diameter evaporation tank, and 500-watt rated power. It has a faucet with a big diameter for quick dispensing and an innovative electroplated silver handle with a comfortable ergonomic design for easy grip. On the machine side, there's a small control panel and simple buttons that make it easy to change the machine's settings. Carefree operating is possible due to the clear digital display and tank lighting. Moreover, changing from day to night mode is simple, which makes keeping slushies overnight a non-issue. The improved one-piece cover makes its utility and refilling easier. This slushie making machine also has a stirrer with a dual screw design for 360-degree mixing and anti-corrosion. Shock-resistant container construction helps for long-term durability. The machine's body is made of stainless steel and ABS. Iced coffee, frappes, fruit juice, tea, frozen cocktails, and other frosty drinks can all be made with this slushie machine. It's our top choice for the best slushie machine for home and commercial settings. The pros: it is noise-free, low energy usage, has a night mode to maintain slushies, large 10-liter capacity. The cons: it weighs 97 pounds, can take longer to freeze because of that large capacity. Next at number 4, treat your friends to excellent frozen beverages this summer season with the Margaritaville Tahiti Frozen Concoction Maker, which will transform any night into an island escape. The Tahiti delivers the utmost in frozen cocktails production for your greatest value, with 3 independent blending stations that allow multiple combinations of professional frozen drinks at the touch of a single button. Choose from 6 automatic slushy settings that shave the proper quantity of ice and combine the ideal margaritas, mudslides, mojitos, smoothies, daiquiris, and coladas. As the highly efficient ice chute rotates smoothly and promptly from one pitcher to the next, generating one delectable cocktail after another, your guests will be enthralled. Now let's talk about its primary features. Its revolving ice chute is simple to operate and may be a lot of fun when you're making your favorite cocktails. In one simple action, the automated shave and blend controls make up to almost 72 ounces of delicious frozen drink bliss, making this one of the best slushy machines on the market today. The dishwasher safe parts make cleanup a breeze after the party, and the big capacity ice container retains an ample amount of ice to produce up to 144 ounces of beverages, while highly durable die-cast components run smoothly. It's also a great present for somebody who enjoys throwing parties. For the price, it's the best slushy machine for home use. The pros: maximum capacity for large groups, dishwasher-safe jars and components, can make 3 different types of drinks at one time. The cons: more difficult to transport because of its larger size. Into the top 3 is the Nostalgia 1-gallon Margarita Maker and Slushie Machine. When you have the Nostalgia Slushie Machine rolling, the party never ends. With a 1-gallon double-wall mixing chamber, beverages will stay cool for hours. The powerful motor swiftly shaves ice to the ideal consistency, and the Easy Flow spout delivers smooth frozen drinks every time. Lift the mixing chamber from the base and the carry handle and take the party with you. It has a patented stainless steel shave blending cage that delicately shaves drinks into a delectable slushy consistency. Drinks stay cool for hours due to the clear double wall structure. You can fill your cup with a simple flick of the lever style handle or pull the spigot up for quick fills. The carrying handle effortlessly rises to lock and secure the lid, making it simple to transport from room to room. Also, the outstanding Slushie Machine can carry up to 128 ounces. The blending chamber detaches from the base, making cleanup a breeze. So yes, the best slushie maker is extremely easy to clean. When you're all done, the cord neatly coils beneath the Slushie Machine base for tidy storage. Pros: powerful blending motor, convenient transport handle, makes up to 1 gallon of frozen drinks. And here are the cons: difficult to get the ice to liquid ratio just right. At number 2 is the Margaritaville Key West Frozen Concoction Maker. Allow yourself to relax and care for your mental health by channeling your inner Jimmy Buffett. To prepare the best frozen beverages, you'll need the best ingredients and, most crucially, the best slushy machine that can produce high-quality frozen drinks. The idea is to shave the ice rather than smash it. With the Margaritaville Key West Frozen Concoction Maker, you can make your tropical paradise at home. The ideal combination of shaved ice and your favorite flavors mixed to perfection. The frozen drink maker of Margarita Key West will take care of everything for you, including shaving the ice and mixing it with your preferred components. Unlike other ice crushing machines, the Key West shaves ice for smooth, delectable results. Do you want to be even more creative? To add your unique touch to the consistency of the beverages, use the manual settings. Then sit back and let the Key West Frozen Concoction Maker do its thing, turning your house into a party hotspot. This slushy making machine is perfect for delicious margaritas, daiquiris, and many more. In fact, if you really want to go all out, you can get the actual Jimmy Buffett edition frozen drink maker. This particular machine has 4 drink settings pre-programmed, as well as an automated shave and blend cycle and manual blend only, shave only cycles. You may mix your concoction in the easy pour jar, then snap open the gate and let it pour out. And thanks to the extra large ice reservoir, you can make up to 2.5 pitchers of frozen concoctions. Here are the pros: amazing blending and ice capacity. It's easy to transport and convenient to clean. The cons: smaller capacity than the Margaritaville Valley model. The number 1 spot that you've been waiting for is the original ICEE Slushie Machine. Everybody loves ICEE brand products that blend bright fun, amazing design, and unmistakable quality. Now, ICEE has teamed up with Fizz Creations to bring you an even more entertaining, engaging, and high-quality ICEE Slushie Machine for your house. Fizz Creations pushes the frontiers of design and creativity, and now they've teamed up with ICEE. The fun is only going to get bigger. The makers are obsessed with fun, function, and style at ICEE and Fizz Creations, so check out the whole range of fresh ideas and old favorites with a new twist. You'll be able to enjoy all the fun with tasty iced drinks and wine slushies whenever you want at home with this ICEE Slushie Machine. If you combine water, ice, as well as ICEE flavored syrup, you can produce your favorite and the tastiest frozen drinks in only minutes. Chill the inner canister of this home slushie maker and your ICEE syrup as well as water mixture for about a minute. Then follow the detailed step-by-step instructions given with the device and you're ready to go. Each batch produces 1 quart of 4 servings of 8 ounces of ICEE treat. And the slushie machine is 18 inches high and 7 inches across. This picture is 5 by 6 in size. The tub has a 5-inch depth. Here are the pros. Both the ICEE brand syrup and the glasses are available for purchase. It's simple to maintain. Great output for its size. The cons: 1 batch might take up to 20 minutes to freeze. Does not have an overnight cooling feature to maintain slushies. Check out one of our newest videos here, plus even more Freshnss videos on your favorite products are coming soon. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single one. Thanks for watching and see you next time.